introducing myself. My name is Febri Putri Rahayu. I am from class 12 Social Studies. I will be doing English acid math. Good evening and welcome to your evening news. Tonight, we are going to talk about a new breakthrough in renewable energy. New solar panel technology unveiled. Scientists have made a significant discovery in the field of solar energy. A new technology has been developed that can increase energy efficiency by up to 20%. This new technology uses advanced material and design to capture more sunlight and convert it into electricity. The implications of this discovery are huge and could potentially revolution the way we generate energy. According to Dr. John Smith, lead researcher on the project, this new technology has the potential to make solar energy more accessible and affordable for communities around the world. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.